It's so much fun.
It's Chase
and Clarence. I sure do love camping. It's cold out. Hey, Chase, this looks like a good spot.
Great, we can build our tent here.
This is simple. We don't need directions.
I love being outdoors. Whoa!
Chase, what was that? Whoa!
Huh?
Yum! Good! Tasty!
Yuck! It's getting late.
Hey, Chase! Let's get some sleep!
Clarence? Clarence, quiet! Clarence!
Ow! Ow! Help! I'm being chased! The end! Oh boy, I sure love camping! Whoa! Fire! Oh man! Water activate! Hooray! I saved the day! Oh! Well, here's some more episodes!
It's Chase
And Clarence!
These comic books are exciting.
And look at all these cool things to buy!
Learn magic. You can be a magician. Whoa!
Introducing Chase the Magician!
Alakazam. 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 Hocus Hocus.
Oh no!
Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus. Rooster. And now for my next trick. Uh-oh. Ta-da!
The end!
It's Chase
And Clarence!
What a nice day, right, Clarence?
You betcha!
What are you looking for, Clarence? A balloon? Whoa! Whoa!
his problem.
Woohoo! Throw it here.
Oh no! Again?
Idea. This should do it. Look at me, Clarence.
Chase is funny. The end.
It's Chase.
And Clarence.
Aw, it's raining again outside. Hi, Monkey. Let's play toys. Whoa, good job, Sean. Whisper, whisper. You mean monkey. Okay.
And done. Uh-oh. Warning.
Bye.
The end.
It's Chase.
And Clarence.
Look, Clarence.
Yay, fishing!
Nope. Bigger.
Oh!
Bigger.
Huh?
Even bigger.
Oh!
Huh? Huh? What happened?
Ooh!
Woohoo! Help! 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 Whoa! 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 Help!
Whoa, 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 whoa! Chase! Whoa, 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 The end.
It's Chase.
And Clarence.
What a nice day.
Wow, it's so hot outside.
Whoa! So many flavors.
Which one should we get?
What's my favorite movie? Oh, I know.
What?
I know. I think I know. I think.
Candy? It's not candy.
What's my favorite channel on YouTube?
Oh, I don't know.
It's so easy.
I'm not a cheetah.
Where am I?